Okay, it works a lot better when I turn on the microphone. Oh, you don't see anything. So yeah, what are we doing today? Today we're going to try and do some rising. So yeah, I'm having some nuts. So yeah, so this looks nice, but it can be better. So I changed a few things. I changed up my Tmux config. Yeah, I already went into Tmux in my installation video, and some of this stuff might look familiar using TPM for plugins and stuff like that. So the Tmux plugins also just work under OpenBSD, but the difference is you don't actually need to install Tmux because it's already there. So yeah, I kind of use it instead of screen. Let's see, like you can do the splitting and you can do the resizing and stuff like that. You know, stuff like that. It's Tmux. So yeah, but we want to make it look a bit more pretty. So first, let's grab because I have this wallpaper here that we're using, that we got from Unsplash. But of course we want more stuff, more wallpapers. I recently got involved in a project called Wallast. Oh, there's actually a bug report that I did for because I got some permission denied thing, but we just want the code. I don't know. Okay. So we just want the code. So we just copy that, and we go back. And this is a Rust project. Doesn't. Oh, yeah, it's not there. It's in user local. Yeah. Okay. This should be. This should build quite fast. So what this does is basically what Pywall, I don't know if you guys know that, basically does the same thing, but it has some better templating and it's compatible with the old Pywall stuff. So in the meantime, we could go look for some wallpapers. What's this? That's cool. Yeah, just go away. Just give me the wallpapers. I'll take that. Let's have a look at it. Okay. It's kind of stretched, isn't it? I don't like that one. Oh, where did it go? This one looks fresh. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Wait for this thing to finish. It's almost done. So, what we're trying to do in a moment is we'll create a script that will set the wallpaper, that will run Wallace, that will generate the configs and stuff like X resources and stuff like that. And basically the effect will be the same that I have on my Arch Linux desktop. Which I'll demonstrate in a bit. I can actually, oh, it's done, okay. Okay, cool. Cool. So it's in my path now. So, not new fetch, screen fetch. What happened to that? Okay, that's okay. So now, okay, this is cached, but now it changed the palette, and this is all defaults. We're going to change the defaults later. Do we have new fetch? Let's edit anyway. I know it's this. It's not maintained anymore. So yeah. So now everything is a nice. The shell colors now match the wallpaper. So if we pick another one, we go back. Let's see. Let's pick a nice one. Sunset, fire, a doggo, birdies, a city. Yeah, let's do this one. Yeah, that's fine. So which one was newer? Yeah, this one is newer. Okay, so oh wait, that's the same. It's the other one. This one. Is that the same one? No, that's the city. Oh, I didn't set the background. Wallace can do that too. Generate. Doesn't set the background. No, it just generates the color scheme. So what am I doing? So you see why you want to build a script for this. Then you generate a palette for it. So this palette is generated for this image. So the idea is basically this. I'm gonna change something. Like this is my Linux desktop. Arch, by the way. But if I hit a hotkey, all the colors. Also, yeah, I have this this script that also sends the color sequence to Home Assistant, and it changes the lights in my office and the LED strip here. So when I change it again, all the colors change. So even you can't see it, but also the RGB on my PC as well. So those change as well. So yeah, it's probably it's quite red. It basically picks this color right here, and tries to recreate it with the palette. So I'm trying to get this to run on OpenBSD. So I got Wallace running, but now I have to tie everything together. Also, I want to change the colors in DWM. I already patched it so it would change where it would pick the XRDB X resources for the interface colors. And I have also a fork of dmenu that basically does the same thing, which will grab X resources and will change its color. So I only have to make templates for it. So if we go back to my Wallace repo, let's see if I can find the default config. Yeah, so this is the configuration. We'll dive into the templates later. Oh, it already exists. It copied itself. So yeah, okay. So this is the default config. Fast resize is fine. I like just play around with it. I like dark 16 because it's a 16 color palette, and we'll deal with the templates. So let's do the contrast check. So text will stay readable, and usually I set the alpha to something like 85. Okay, let's generate a new palette. So that's a different palette. Yeah, I believe these are all escape codes. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the play. Oh, didn't activate it? Oh, right, okay. Now that's the room palette. Yeah, okay. So now the colors match the picture. So now we have to probably get into some templates. Let's see, I have to get my notes. Yeah. So let's go back here. We have a config, so go back to the source. I know for a fact that in the tests I have all the firewall templates here. So let's copy these. And many programs that know about firewall expect this directory, so I'm going to create that, and then okay, let's have a look. Do I still have to tell it that I need firewall? compatibility, because that's what I'm used to. Here we go. So let's make a template. Let's do XRDB. Can I? Let's, is that actually necessary? Hang on. Hang on. Let's yeah. Yeah, exactly. Hang on. How did I do this on my other desktop? Let's see. Oh, I know what to do. Yeah, I need a template. I need a template. So let's see. Yeah. Template equals. The target is and I think this is a firewall template. Let's join this everything up. So like this. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh, cool. Let's look at this, what it generated. Cool. And now do so basically we need to put this in a script. So if we do of course. So yeah, that's the background. That's the palette. That's the XRDB. And those are the DWM colors. So we have to put that in a script somehow. So let's yeah, so just toxic shell. Then we set the wallpaper. We generate the palette. We import this, and then we send DWM a signal that it needs to reload the XRDB. Oh, we're not in yeah, okay, so it's in our path. We can go to download. So, okay, so let's do yay, look, now we do it. Now we do it in one go. That's pretty nifty, right? So, what if we have like what if we want to what if we want to do a random wallpaper? We could do a random wallpaper. So basically what we could do is we could maybe populate this wallpapers folder with like a whole bunch of wallpapers. So we'll take these. Put them here. And we'll get some more. let's see. Shall we do a green one? We'll do a green one. Okay. Let's clean up my downloads folder a bit. Oh, now I have to download it again. Because I just wiped it. Yeah, Iridium or Chromium or whatever is all the browsers in OpenBSD are pledged and unveiled, so they have like minimal permissions, and Chromium here, or Iridium actually, is only allowed to access your with a file picker is only allowed to access your downloads directory. So it will never touch your GPG or SSH keys, so it just cannot reach them, cannot see them. Okay, let's move. Hang on, no. Yeah, so if we have our wallpaper script, yeah, okay, so we have a green wallpaper and the text is kind of styled the same. Awesome. Let's get some more. Smoke. I don't like the vertical thing. It might be nice for a phone, but not for a desktop. Somebody's been dancing with lights around the car, apparently. Okay. Probably AI. That's a lot of white. I like this one is nice. Let's do this one. Yofana, okay. Yeah, it's a bit hard to. It needs a bit more contrast, actually. It is. It's a bit hard to read, isn't it? Maybe I should mess with these a bit. What if I set this to false? Ooh, that's completely unreadable. Mess with the saturation, or I could use complementary colors. So now it uses the opposite colors, which is interesting. At least you can read it. It doesn't really clash as much. I kind of like this. It's nice and contrasty. Yeah, I should probably look at Neofin if I can make that match the Pywall stuff as well, but that probably requires more templates. Anyway, I think off stream, I guess. I'm probably gonna like make this elaborate on this a bit more. And yeah, but this is basically what you can do. And then with the templating, for instance, oh yeah, D menu, because that doesn't look right? No. I have to no, don't delete those. D menu gone? No. Okay, so that's clashing. Then but I have my own D menu right here. I'm gonna grab it. Probably have to change something. Retype. Yeah, that's all fine. Use bin, damn it. Good thing the sockless guys make an uninstall target. I should have looked at this. Use local. So, but the font is probably not correct. Share tag mono. Now we're using another one. Mono, nerd, font, and I believe it's a size 10. Yeah, right now it's the same size as my bar. And it probably has the same colors as well, so okay, let's grab another wallpaper. Forest, horses, mountain. Ooh, this is a nice one. Okay, grabbing that one. Nice dark one. Where did it get? Okay, I can see where. Oh yeah, so it's taking. Let's okay. Let's change that. Because I'm using dark comp. That's more reasonable. Oh, I have to turn off those cordons. Yeah. But regarding the templates, they're quite easy to write. For instance, oh yeah, the CSS one is easy. So all these things here, they get replaced with RGB values. So when you run Wallust, you get right now is only one thing. Oh yeah, there's only one thing here. You get these things. All these color codes. So when even with the extension here, XRGPA, you get that format. Yeah, so 16 colors. Yeah, so that's how you write the templates. So and then you can generate themes for pretty much anything. So and then the cool thing that you can do is when you let's go back to my Linux desktop, because I have a lot more here. And my wallpaper script is also quite a bit more involved. I turn it into a Lua script. And basically it has all these things. It basically checks if you are on Wayland or on Xorg. And it does things like update RGB, it will do reload OpenRGB, so it will basically, it will do the colors on my keyboard, it will do the colors of my lights. But you can also do the colors inside NeoVim. If I load up my other NeoVim config, let's see. This was mini depths. This is one I did from scratch. Might as well update it. But this actually takes the colors from the background. Als het dus. So if I change the background here, NeoVim changes too. yeah, okay. So how to disable the transparency. So this uses like the palette from this wallpaper, and if I have use another hotkey, it will use something else. So basically, you could do the same sort of thing in OpenBSD with Wallast, and then you don't need Pywall. And if you let's open a browser. Okay, where is mine? Maybe you have to log in. Okay, let's look at the red ones. Yeah, it was number 94. So yeah, that's the. Oh yeah, this is the problem that I had. It was doing this, and well, after some debugging and I did make some screenshots and stuff like that, I found out that it had it introduced spaces in the file name, so I had to strip those out, and then it worked fine. Go figure. Yeah. So yeah, but Wallast works fine on OpenBSD. Basically, it's a replacement for hello Somba Coder. Basically, it's a replacement for Pywall because that's not really maintained anymore. So yeah, so that's how you can do wallpaper-based rising under OpenBSD. So yeah, maybe next time I will mess with VMM because that's also something on my to-do list. And but first, I probably have to prepare that a little bit because you don't want to watch me download Debian or something, or Arch or Alpine. That's okay. Me messing with this is kind of boring, but I don't want to put you through that. No, I won't. So there. So yeah, I think I'll go mess around for a bit more, and I bid you guys good night. I hope you found the stream informative and entertaining to some degree. I thought it was entertaining. I like messing with systems, so yeah. So I say goodbye. Bye bye. End the stream. Oh yeah, here. Okay. Bye bye.